Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and withdraw your funds and your money from your eToro account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com. If you have not already, if you are using it on your mobile device, you can just go ahead and open up the application. So once you have opened it up, you're going to see the Join eToro button. This is going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in using the login button right here in the upper right corner. And once you're logged in, you are going to be greeted by your home page where in the upper right corner you're now going to go and be able to see your profile icon that you can click on and open up your menu, wallet, dashboard, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to withdraw funds. Here we have the official help center of eToro and the article on how to go ahead and withdraw funds. So basically what we can do is follow the steps right here. You're going to click on the withdraw funds button in the left hand menu. So basically once you have opened up your menu right here from your profile icon, you're going to access withdraw funds. On the withdrawal screen, you're going to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you're going to click the next button. It's going to look like this, enter in the amount that you want to withdraw, and it's going to show you how much is available to withdraw. After that, you're going to be showing your withdrawal details and the default payment method, so you're going to select whatever you prefer and which options you want to use, and then you're going to click submit. Once you click submit, it's going to go ahead and process that and withdraw the funds to your account, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.